Hello, welcome to our classes, my YouTube channel. I am Dr. K.K. MISHRA. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on consumer behavior part 3rd. This I have compiled in view of various competitive examinations like NET conducted by NTA and MBA semester examinations and other PSUs examinations. Now come to question number 1. If the purchase is for a high involvement product, consumers are likely to develop a high degree of dash so that they can be confident that the item they purchase is just right for them. A. Brand loyalty. B. Society. C. Product knowledge. D. References. Correct option is C. Product knowledge. Question number 2. If a company makes product and services for the purpose of reselling or renting them to others at a profit or for use in the production of other products and services, then the company is selling to the A. Business market, B. Financial market, C. Consumer market, D. Private sector market. Correct option is A. Business market. Question number 3. A high degree of product involvement encourages dash by consumers, which likely increases the time it takes to go through the decision-making process. A. Extensive decision-making. B. Seeking a good price. C. Strong referral point. D. Active on consultation. Correct option is A. Extensive decision-making. 4. When demand comes as it does in the business market from the demand for consumer good, this form of demand is called A. Kinked demand, B. Inelastic demand, C. Cyclical demand, D. Derived demand. Correct option is D. Derived demand. Question number 5. With reference to the product development and management, products and services offered should be dash A. Delivered in the shortest possible, B. Offered at the lowest price, C. Safe and fit for their intended use, D. Serviced promptly. Correct option is C. Safe and fit for their intended use. Question number 6. Which of the following characteristics differs between business and consumer markets? A. Market structure and demand, B. The nature of buying unit, C. Types of decisions made, D. Types of decision process itself. Correct option is B. The nature of the buying unit. Question number 7 as constitutes moderate consumer behavior but still involves time and effort searching for and comparing alternatives. A. Limited decision making, B. Need recognition, C. Routine decision making, D. Post purchase. Correct option is A. Limited decision making. Question number 8. The stage of the business buying process where the buyer describes the characteristics and quantity of the needed item is called A. Problem recognition, B. General need description, C. Product specification, D. Proposal solicitation. Correct option is B. General need description. Question number 9. Person's own or interacting and acting pattern is classified as A. Lifestyle, B. Personality and self-concept, C. Social class, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Lifestyle. 10. For the marketing manager, social class offers some insights into consumer behavior and is potentially useful as a dash or market research information, B. Market segmentation variable, C. Source of understanding competition strategy, source to predict future trends. Correct option is B. Market segmentation variable. 11. A purchase involves many decisions which include product type, brand, model, dash among other factors. A. Credit facility available, B. Group purchase discount scheme, C. Dealer selection and method of payment, D. Availability of money. Correct option is C. Dealer selection and method of payment. 12. For which of the following purchases would a consumer be most likely engaged in limited decision making? A. The purchase of candy which was selected only after the buyer had spent 15 minutes to read the fact content of each brand in the store. B. The purchase of an expensive gift for brand new set of son-in-laws. C. The purchase of 6-pack of on a bag of popcorn. D. The renewal of a subscription to hardware in a hardware store. Here it is analytical approach 1. Correct option is A. The purchase of candy which was selected only after the buyer had spent 15 minutes to read the fact content of each brand in the store. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, all the correct options are highlighted here in each question. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected through minor. Now, question number 13. Dash refers to the tendency of consumers to try to reduce risk in their decision making. A. Risk tolerance. B. Guaranteed terms. C. Perceived risk. D. Dissonance. Correct option is C. Perceived risk. 14. Which of the following is the best example of external stimuli in consumer behavior? A. Feeling cold and turning up their nose. B. Having a backache and realizing you need some pain reliever. C. Seeing Domino's pizza box and ordering a pizza. D. Feeling sad and wanting to have a good cry. Correct option is C. Seeing Domino's pizza box and ordering a pizza. 15. Among various consumers' roles, Dash has the greatest expertise in acquiring and evaluating the information. A. Initiator. B. Gatekeeper. C. Influencer. D. Decider. Correct option is B. Gatekeeper. 16. Marginal utility theory of buyer behavior is developed by A. Alphred Marshall. B. Festinger C.BK Skinner D. Kotler. Correct option is A. Alphred Marshall. 17. Cognitive theory of buyer behavior was developed by A. Alphred Marshall, B. Festinger, C. B.F. Skinner, D. Kotler. Correct option is C. Festinger. B. Festinger. 18. The intensity of post-purchase dissonance will be greatest when dash A. The product is specialty product with few alternative choice. D. The product has low functional risk and high psychological risk. C. The product is a convenience product with numerous alternatives. D. There are a number of available alternatives, each with many of the desired features. Correct option is D. There are a number of available alternatives, each with many of the desired features. Question number 9. The buying process starts with dash the buyer recognizes a problem or need. A. Need recognition. B. Information search. C. Evaluation of alternative. D. Purchase decision. Correct option is A. Need recognition. 20. The marketer's job does not end when the product is bought. After purchasing the product, the consumer will be satisfied or dissatisfied and will engage in A. Habitual buying. B. Alternative evaluation. C. Post-purchase behavior. D. Variety seeking. Correct option is B. Alternative evaluation. 21. What determines the buyer's satisfaction or dissatisfaction? A. Perceived performance. B. Brand personality. C. Recognition. D. Consumer market. Correct option is A. Perceived performance. 22. Dash is a key to building lasting relations with consumers. A. Personality. B. Alternative evaluation. C. Customer satisfaction. D. Customer delight. Correct option is A. Personality. 23. Companies should set up systems that dash customer to complain. A. Discourage. B. Encourage. C. Do not allow. D. Any of the above. Correct option is A. Discourage. 24. One implication of the dash view for marketeers is that care must be taken not to raise purchase expectations to such a level that the product cannot possibly meet them. A. Post-purchase evaluation. B. Purchase decision. C. Repurchase decision. D. Regular decision. Correct option is A. Post-purchase evaluation. 25. Almost all major purchases result in dash or discomfort caused by post-purchaser conflict. A. Opinion leaders. B. Cognitive dissonance. C. Purchase decision. D. Complex buying behavior. Correct option is B. Cognitive dissonance. 26. Relative advantage, compatibility, complexity, divisibility, and communicability are characteristics of A. Alternative evaluation. B. Reducing buying behavior. C. Influence of product on rate of adoption. D. Habitual buying behavior. Correct option is C. Influence of product on rate of adoption. 27. Family is one of the dash factors that influence consumer behavior. A. Cultural. B. Social. C. Personal. D. Psychological. Option is B. Social. 28. The buying decision process consists of dash stages. A. 7. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Correct option is C. 5. 29. Opinion leaders are sometimes referred to as A. Influential. B. Upper class. C. Middle class. D. Buzz maker. Marketeers. Correct option is influential. Question number 30. According to POS marketing report, the percentage of consumers who use shopping lists in their grocery purchase is approximately A. 30%, B. 70%, D. 90%, D. 50%. Correct option is D. 50%. Though this question is based on particular data. So Was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needed now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.